This is with 4K shooters. I'm at the Moza stand at Photokina 2018 with Sebastian from Moza. He's going to talk to you about their brand new Moza Air 2 gimbal.
Yeah, hi. This is the new Moza 2, basically made for every camera up to 4.2 kilos. It's going to be €599 and will be available by the end of October. Yeah, basically some nice new features like the inception mode, like the back of the gimbal is mounted or built like this that I can see my screen while I'm filming. We have the option of multiple accessories like the follow focus and also the possibility of one handle or two handles if you want to for the second one.
I see you have a pretty large Canon camera. What's the payload on this?
This is on this actual setup. I would have to ask for the actual payload on it now, but as I said, it takes up to 4.2 kilos. Yeah, I think we're about 3.5 with this one.
What about the follow focus accessory here? You have a motor here for focus. Is that an extra accessory?
Yes, this is an optional accessory that you can buy additional to the gimbal itself, yes.
Okay. Do you have any pricing on that or availability? Or that's...
for the focus itself, for the transmitter and the receiver, it will be around €300. So the price is not out yet, but it's going to be somewhere around this.
Okay, that's very affordable. What about the back here? The back is pretty interesting. Yeah. Maybe if we can show it like this.
We have a little, nice little menu where we can scroll through with the wheel. Yeah. So then we can change the parameters with the wheel here. Then we have the two buttons for menu and the mode selection. Like for example, when I go inception mode now, the camera is too big for it.
A little bit too tall, yeah.
I would be able to go through the buttons straight away into the mode I want to.
What are some of the compatible cameras? Sony, Panasonic?
Yeah, Sony, Panasonic, Canon. That's it for the moment, where we're planning to incorporate more in the future.
And also, how does the camera interface with the menu? Do you have to connect it with a cable?
Yeah,
or?
You have the possibility to here over this port where it says cam control to connect the camera to the gimbal, and you also have the possibility to power your camera through the outputs we have on the gimbal itself.
Okay, thank you, Sebastian, for that. And where can people go to find out more about this and your other products?
Yeah, or you go to our stand here at the Photokina, or you just check out the Gudsen website.
Excellent. Thank you so much.